Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and review into Huck's World. And yes, we got a giveaway for this awesome watch face. And all you simply have to do is comment in the comment section down below and give a feedback on the developers page in the App Store. And with that, let's kick off this review. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. Today we got my man OW in the building, bringing with him a super awesome creation, very unique in its own right. And we'll talk about the uniqueness of this watch face in a second. The name of the watch face is called Hourglass. Very unique look, very simplistic. Even in the always on mode, it's going to look nice for the Gear 3. It's just going to be shaded down in the grayish theme mode. The same look you'll get for the most part with the Gear 2 as well. Now, once the watch face is on, at the top of the time, you will get your day of the week. You also come down, you'll get your battery percentage, and dead center you get a big bold digital time. That's going to be your hour. Flanked to the right of it, you are going to get your minutes. Now this is a nice look, big and bold for those of you all who really need to see your time up close and personal. But what makes this watch face unique is not the big bold digital time, but how it illuminates the color as the time goes up. It's already 10:57, as you can see at the top. There's a darker shade. As it goes up, it starts to illuminate it. In the middle, the red line represents your half-hour mark. So when you get there, you're at 30 minutes. But as it goes up, it's still going to shade it lighter and lighter as the time goes on. I thought this was definitely a watch face worthy of a download and unique in its own right. I love that he steps outside of the box with whatever he creates. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.